Canva and Tailwind have recently integrated so that you can now send your pins that you have created in Canva, like this one, directly through to Tailwind, and Tailwind will schedule them to your Pinterest, and this saves a massive amount of time because you're not having to download these onto your computer and then re-upload them into Tailwind. And I want to show you how we can do this. So we're going to head over to apps, and then we're just going to come up here and type in Tailwind, and then it shows up and looks like this here. So we will click that. Now mine's already connected, but it will show up saying, do you want to connect the accounts? Just click yes, and then you'll be coming through to this screen here. So it will have your account here. You can put in the pin title that you want it to have. So this one might be Pinterest for Surface Pattern Designers. So this here is linking to my blog post, but I also use Pinterest to get my designs, like this one in the background here, in front of brands and art directors that want to license my work. I've actually got a workshop on exactly how you can do that. So if you are an artist and you want to learn how to market your work through Pinterest and get licensing inquiries in your inbox, then I have a freebie for you, how to use Pinterest for Surface Pattern Designers guide, and you can grab that. And here we want to put a keyword rich description. We can also put in where the pin is linking to. So in this case I would put my website because it's going to go to my blog. We can select which board it's going to go to. So this would be on my surface pattern design tips. And then what we can do is we can share it to Tailwind. Now it's going to come up with these different options. I'm just going to go with a JPEG and make sure that it is a good quality. And the best thing about this is you can actually send, if you've created like lots of different pins for the same blog post, or if you've got a whole heap of different designs, a whole collection perhaps, and you have made all of the pin templates for it, you can actually just send all of them through to Tailwind. So you can select all of the pages. I'm just going to select the current page, and I'm going to click export. And then it is going to link it through to Tailwind, and we'll see it will come up down here in just a moment. Drafts created, open in Tailwind. So you'll see this one here is going to start loading, and this is what has come through from Canva. It has our pin title pulled through. We had left the description blank, so I could fill that in here in Tailwind. And the URL has come through. It's on the correct board already. And I can now use Tailwind to schedule this pin through, and then it will push it through to Pinterest for me. So it's a really fun integration where you can get your pins like this. You can make however many you want and get them all sent through to Tailwind. Tailwind will schedule them to Pinterest, and it will save you a massive amount of time. I hope that was really helpful. If you are a designer and you are wanting to find another way other than social media to get your work in front of the right people, you might be interested in my Pinterest workshop. And if you are, I have got a free Pinterest guide, this one here actually, that you can download, and it's got some tips in there for you. And if you like the sound of them and have found them helpful, then I think you will love my Pinterest workshop, where I teach you how to get your designs in front of brands and art directors using Pinterest, and then hopefully they will get in touch with you with licensing inquiries.